Right guys, I'm about to clean this oven. I've just got a few bits out ready to show you. It's a bit grim, but it's no problem. I'll have that cleaned in no time. I say no time. It's going to take an hour or two, but as you can see, there's fat on the bottom. The trays have got burnt on stuff. It's quite sticky, it's not burnt on, so that might make it easier. So I'm going to do this oven and I'll get back to you at the end and show you when it's all finished.
Just so that you know, this is the sort of stuff that comes out of the oven when you're cleaning it out. It's black, tarry, yellowy, blacky sort of stuff. So what I'm cracking on is these burnt bits on the hob, really hard to get up. Sorry, I've got my mask on, so I might be a bit mumbly, but yeah, it's really burnt on, really down there. So it's taken a bit longer than I thought, but I'm going to try and get it to look as best as I possibly can. Obviously I've got time on this job, so there's no real time restraints, but yeah, let's carry on and see how nice we can get it.
Right guys, so we're back, oven's clean, and I'm just going to tell you a couple of things that I couldn't do. So I got most of the burnt on food on the hobs off. Obviously there's a couple of little bits here that I can't take off because the paint's actually bubbled, and if I scratch any harder I'll scratch the cooker and maybe end up taking the paint off. So that's gone. Most of that burnt on stuff, in fact nearly all of it. We've got all the rings, nice, no grease on them, all clean. That shelf that had those stains on, all clean. The windows, you can see my reflection in them, sparkly. Same goes for this metal piece, that's all sparkly. Over it again. Inside the oven, well, this is the grill. Doors absolutely immaculate. Even took the windows off, cleaned all these screw fittings here. It's all clean. The oven, just get the flash on, all that grease gone, all that burnt on milk, that's gone. Anything, any little blemishes here, this is where the paint's bubbled a bit. This is quite an old oven, but the oven, door is clean, windows clean. The worst bit down here, you can see all that white stuff. I don't know what that stuff was. Doors clean. Oh, that's rust. I think this is like stay hot or something, or somewhere to store your pans. But yeah, everything is done. It took me 2.5 hours to do this double oven. And yeah, there you go. One clean oven. Happy customer.